Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 24th August 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, let us check out what transpired for Nifty today. Nifty opened higher but traded with a negative bias for most of the session before closing in the red with a loss of 0.14% or 32.95 points at 24,219.05. The correction was due to profit booking, FII selling, and elevated crude oil prices. The sectors traded mixed with cement and media falling the most, while metals posted the highest gains. Volatility for the index rose today. Levels may be adjusted lower due to the recent correction, with supports now being at 24,135, followed by 24,040, while resistances may be placed at 24,240, followed by 24,350. For tomorrow, the index may continue consolidating within a range as it looks for further cues before trending in a particular direction. Probable cues will come from US inflation and unemployment numbers, moves in crude oil prices, and rupee movement amid the uncertain geopolitical scenario that adds a risk premium to most defensive assets like bullion. Traders may take positions between levels as the markets keep trending sideways. The NSE index may witness stronger positive momentum above 24,675, while a break below 23,830 could result in selling pressure intensifying. Next, we proceed to check how Sensex fared. Sensex closed lower by 0.22% or approximately 172 points at approximately 77,369. Given the close slightly above support, levels for Sensex may be kept the same with supports remaining at 77,365, followed by 77,090, while resistances may be kept at 77,640, followed by 77,885. The BSE index may be expected to be bullish above 78,080, while bearishness may dominate if the index falls below 76,190. Now, let us take a look at how crude oil has traded thus far. Crude oil prices opened lower than Friday's close on MCX and has been trading mostly sideways at lower levels with a negative bias. Impasse at the Middle East continues with US planning additional economic sanctions on Iran, which has kept prices elevated. Volatility for the commodity is still elevated. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted downwards after the recent correction, with supports now being at 8,130, followed by 8,045, while resistances may be placed at 8,200, followed by 8,270. Crude oil prices may be expected to keep consolidating within a range, and trading between levels seems the preferred move at current levels. Supply side is currently dictating prices even with lowered global consumption and increased OPEC plus production. A sizable correction may be witnessed if a relative normalization is witnessed in the Middle East as new supply routes are explored. The energy counter may be expected to witness buying momentum intensify above 8,450, while a break below 7,700 could send prices lower. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Godrej Industries has signed an MOU with the Haryana government to invest around 20,000 crore rupees in the state. The investment is expected to create nearly 40,000 jobs, marking a major expansion and employment boost for the region. Oriental Hotels shares gained over 5% after the company announced a proposed merger with Indian Hotels Company, or IHCL. Under the scheme, shareholders will receive 25 IHCL shares for every 117 Oriental Hotels shares, with completion targeted for the second half of FY 2028. Vishal Mega Mart shares rallied around 9.5% after the company approved the reappointment of Gunender Kapur as Managing Director and CEO for another 5 years. His current term is set to expire in June 2027, and the extended tenure is expected to provide continuity in the company's leadership. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3 p.m., Mr. Sanjay G will be conducting a webinar on the topic Identifying Market Structures and Trade Opportunities with High Risk-Reward Ratios Using Economic Indicators. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Increase Your Trading Probability using the powerful combination of CPR plus Bollinger Bands plus VWAP. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic Iron Condor and Butterfly Options Strategies Masterclass. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.